Justin Rohner from Agriscaping Technologies joining us. Justin, you got a lot of citrus here,
I got a lot of citrus here.
Yes.
This is the time of year that we can get out in the garden and actually pretty much sample almost anything that's on the tree, as long as it's got some color to it.
That's right. And the great thing is, like, we have one tangerine tree in our side yard. It's produced enough fruit for, I think, the world.
Yeah, there you
go. It's incredible.
It's great, and that's the kind of thing you want to have. If you've got a great tree in your garden that you can then eat almost year-round. Some of these things you can eat almost year-round, and these are the top 7 citrus that we have this time of year.
So take us through a couple of these and what they are.
You bet. So number 1, we got this is a Chandler Pomelo. Anything in the Pomelo family, this is the largest citrus fruit that's out there. There's Persian ones, but this is the Chandler I brought you today. It's got a wonderful flavor to it. It's a meal all on its own. It's one of the most ancient varieties of all citrus. It's where almost everything else stems from, is from the pomelo world, which is kind of fun. Yeah. And then you got your grapefruit. A lot of people love their grapefruit. There's a lot of different varieties. Right here, this is a flame variety, so it's really yellow on the outside, so it's kind of deceptive, but it's nice and bright and yellow inside. There's ruby reds, there's the sun-kissed. There's a lot of great varieties out there for the grapefruit. It's got its own flavor profile. Some people put sugar on them. Some people put salt on them.
Wow.
And I don't know those ones, but it actually does. It tastes pretty good. Strange people, but very interesting. The ones you'd love to have for breakfast, right?
Now, this is a source of contention in my household. We found this growing in our front yard off a tree, and my wife and I had a debate. I thought it was a grapefruit. What is this?
This is actually the Ponderosa Lemons.
It's massive.
It is massive. It is, you know, you can make 1 full gallon of lemonade from one of these guys.
Right.
So it's like the wonderful fruit. It's got a great flavor, good acidity. It's got a lot of zest, as you can kind of see on here too.
Rind,
so there's, you can candy these rinds. They candy up really, really well, which is really fun. And then obviously you got a lot of nice lemon juice that you can get from the fruit. 1 Ponderosa lemon goes a long way.
So as always, my wife wins that argument. Let's talk about what's next here.
So this is a Marrow Blood orange. There's so many varieties of oranges. The Marrow Blood is actually this is the one that actually has the most dark color to it. When you peel it, it's actually it's really fun when you peel these. It's a good peeling orange as well. A lot of good flavor. Some people say it tastes more like raspberry than it does an orange, and so that's a really fun one.
This would be kind of fun to bring to your soccer game, because people are expecting an orange, and then it's kind of that red color, and it kind of,
oh my goodness. And then just think how those kids will be when they get back out on the field. They got the blood orange dripping down the side. It's a little savage, right? That'd be kind of fun. So these are the mandarins. These are the easiest peeling ones, a lot in the same family. So you got the Algerian varieties and stuff that are also just, you know, 1 peel. I mean, that's all you need. Nice, easy cleanup, nice little fruit. You can segment those out. The kids can divide those up. That's a really fun and easy one. That's the cleanest of all your citrus that you can eat right now.
Yeah, that's really easy. Now, what are these smaller ones here?
So this one right here, this is actually called the Tangelo Quad. It's a rare variety, but this is the kind of one that you actually can eat the whole entire thing. Anything in the quad family, they're literally, I guess you could say, designed, but they're ones that you can literally eat
like
the whole thing, like an apple. But this is the sweetest one on the interior. Wonderful one. And then this last one is the lime quad. This is one that I eat regularly in order to keep the sniffles away, because you can literally just eat the entire thing. I won't subject you to this type of awesomeness right now, but these are great.
So if people have questions like I did about what variety citrus they may have in there, can they bring them in? What's the easiest way to identify it?
Check it out, agriscaping.com. Go to greenthumbthursday.com. You can actually get some information specifically here for Arizona on which fruit tree varieties are best for here.
Fantastic, Justin. Always a pleasure, man.